Bob and Sue have a revocable living trust. What happens when one dies? Well, typically when a couple has a revocable living trust, both of them are named as the trustees of that trust. Trustee means they're in charge of managing or administering the trust. So generally speaking, when one of the trustees dies, then the other one steps or continues in their role as trustee. What often happens, though, is people who are the surviving spouse, the surviving trustee, they don't know what to do to administer their trust now that the one spouse has died. Oftentimes, revocable living trusts are set up that when the first spouse trustee dies, their share of the estate now goes into what's called an irrevocable trust, a trust that cannot be changed by the surviving spouse. And in Washington, where I practice, we are a community property state, and that means half of the estate of the deceased spouse needs to now be in an irrevocable trust. But likely the surviving spouse had no idea what to do, likely didn't see an attorney because they didn't see a reason to do so because they didn't understand how the trust works. So oftentimes revocable living trusts are mismanaged unknowingly by the surviving spouse. So if one spouse has died, really good idea to go see the estate planning attorney.